In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete deleted photos from Google Photos. This process is essential for managing your storage efficiently. When you delete photos in Google Photos, they are moved to the trash, also known as the bin. This is where they remain temporarily before being permanently deleted. For backed up photos, they stay in the trash for 60 days. If a photo wasn't backed up, it stays for 30 days. Understanding this timeline helps you make informed decisions about your storage needs. Now, let's start with the steps for mobile devices. First, open the Google Photos app on your Android or iPhone. This app is where you manage all your photos easily. Once the app is open, you will see various tabs at the bottom. This is where you can navigate to different sections of your photos. After that, look for the Collections or Library option depending on your app version. Tapping this will bring you to a list containing all your albums and folders. This is a vital step because it prepares you to access your trash for deletion. Next, tap on Trash or Bin. This action will take you to the area where all your deleted photos are stored temporarily. Here you can see any photos you wish to permanently remove. This step is important because it allows you to review what you have deleted. After reviewing, tap Empty Trash or Empty Bin. This is where you will start the process of freeing up space in your account. It is a straightforward yet crucial action that ensures you are ready to delete everything in the trash. You will then see a prompt asking you to confirm your action. Tap Delete Permanently to confirm. This confirmation ensures that you truly want to remove these photos from your account. Once you tap this, all photos in the trash will be gone for good. This step helps you avoid accidental deletions and keeps your Google Photos account organized. If you prefer to delete specific photos instead of emptying the entire trash, start by opening Google Photos again. Navigate to Collections or Library and then to Trash. This process allows you to selectively choose which photos to delete permanently. Touch and hold the photo or photos you want to remove permanently. This action highlights those images, making it easier to manage your selections. Next, tap Delete Permanently. After tapping this, you will receive a confirmation prompt. Confirm by tapping Delete Permanently again. This ensures you are aware of the action you are taking. It is crucial to remember that once photos are permanently deleted, they cannot be restored. This step is vital for maintaining control over your photo library, allowing you to keep only the images that matter most. Now, let's switch to the web version. Go to photos.google.com and sign into your account. This is the starting point for managing your photos on a computer. Once you're signed in, look for Trash in the left sidebar. Clicking on this will bring you to the Trash section, where deleted photos are stored temporarily. To empty the trash, click Empty Trash. This action will prepare to delete everything stored in the trash. A confirmation message will appear. Click Empty Trash to confirm. This step is essential because it immediately removes those photos from your Google Photos account and frees up storage space. If you want to delete individual photos instead, open photos.google.com. Again, click on Trash. Select the specific photo or photos you want to remove. This selective deletion helps you manage your storage better. Finally, click Delete Permanently. A confirmation message will appear again. Confirm the deletion by clicking Delete Permanently. This step ensures that your photo management is effective and tailored to your needs. Always remember that permanently deleted photos cannot be restored. Deleting photos from Google Photos does not automatically remove copies stored in other Google services. This knowledge is vital for comprehensive photo management. Thank you for following along, and now you can keep your Google Photos account clutter-free.